Hello there. Got my little buddy with me today. Y'all see him? You want to be on camera? Be on camera. Oh, he's not showing. Oh, Max. There you go. Say, hey, this is Max and this Asher. So hello, welcome to my channel, Lady AEA. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing with you all. So normally I take a trip for my birthday, but due to COVID, I was not really feeling it. And so I just postponed and do a really nice one next year. So I decided to treat myself for my birthday, and I decided to buy myself my very first Brahmin. I have done it. I've been gifted to small ones, and I decided I wanted to do buy my own, and get a bigger one. So that's my unboxing today. Box just came in. I have a green screen, so you probably can't see. But it'll be a real quick unboxing. I might just take the green screen off so y'all can see everything. How about that? There we go. Okay, so that's just the green screen. Just ignore it. So, because I want y'all to see the bag. So here's the bag. First time. If I'm big and bad, I use a knife. Let me not stop the paperwork. Here's my official Brahmin paperwork. Tells me what I bought. This is a large Duxbury Satchel, Mystical Ombre Melbourne. And so here's my paperwork and stuff. Just telling me what I bought. I don't think this is the registration paper, but fancy, fancy. Nothing so easy. Oh. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Ooh. Ooh. So you know, seeing it online is one thing. Seeing it in person is a whole other. I like. Can y'all see? It's like a rainbow effect. It's got feet. Look at there. It's got feet. But isn't that color fabulous? I could wear what I'm wearing today. Wear it with a green top. And then you got your brown to bring it all together. Oh, and because I'm fancy. My initials, Lady AEA. I love it. So the handles, I think, are brown. The handles are brown. Oh, this is fabulous. I didn't know how I would like it. And I had to make sure it's crocodile and not snake. I don't do snake. But isn't that fabulous? How much space is in it? I love a big pocketbook. The handles. Got my Brahmin dust bag. Lots of room. It's got pencil, pen holder. It's got the two pockets. It's got a pocket back in the back. I don't know if my phone will fit. I've heard different things about that. It will. Oh, so, and that's the 13, so it fits. Very nice. Sorry, I'm not giving y'all all this lusciousness, but isn't she gorgeous? I love it. Oh yes, we can't wait to fill her up. So again, large Duxbury Satchel, Mystical Ombre Melbourne. And she's fabulous. Okay. My first Brahmin that I bought for myself. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. I don't know if I'll do what's in my purse because I carry a lot of stuff in my purse. But we're gonna treat her good. But I love my little name, my little AEA. Ta-da! Love it. Bye, y'all. Subscribe if you haven't. We're gonna talk about some of everything: gardening, pocketbooks, life, business, everything. So just subscribe. You'll never know what your next video will be about. Hope y'all have a fantastic day. Bye.